Nau mai, hara mai ki tō tātou nei Kōhanga Reo, Te Kōhanga Reo i Ngā Hau ki Murihiku. Ko li Raimona ahau, he manu pīrere o tēnei Kōhanga Reo. Nā ku te honore ka tuau hei kaia ko matua ki tēnei Kōhanga Reo mō ngā tau e waru kua pahure. Nā tēnei Kōhanga Reo me te marae o Ngā Hau i tā koha mai ngā wheako Māori kia hau. Nā reira, ka tūpaua hau kia koutou, mātua mā, kuia mā, kraua mā, me nā whānau whānui hoki, e kaha poipoi i tēnei. E kaha poipoi hoki i a tātou nā uri i whakatipu mai ki konei, tāwhiti mai i ngā rekereke o te papakainga. Nā reira, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa. 2022 is a really massive year for us here at Kōhanga Reo, and it's also a really special one. But before we get into that, let's take a glimpse back in time to where we come from. Nau mai whānau. In October 1982, a hui was held at Ngā Hau marae by Dame Iritana Tāwhiwhirangi, Nanny Francis and a cohort of queer that travelled the nation to spread the word about this kaupapa to revive the Māori language called Kōhanga Reo. Over 50 people attended that hui and its committee was set up that very same day. Our Kōhanga Reo officially opened in the Ngā Hau marae on the 9th of November 1982. The Kōhanga Reo carries the same name as the marae, Ngā Hau, the Four Winds. The philosophy being no matter where you come from, the north, the south, the east or the west, you will always be welcome here at Ngā Hau. True to its name, our Ngā Hau community is diverse and made up from all iwi, uniting together through aroha. In 1989, the owner of 195 Collins Street, the house next door, approached the marae about wanting to sell. The Kohanga whānau grasped the opportunity and began fundraising immediately. The Kōhanga Reo officially had its own operation site. Throughout the years, there have been many modifications made to suit the Kōhanga Reo kaupapa, but we have now come to the time where our whare and whenua just aren't big enough or fit for purpose. In 2018, we hit a max roll of 20 and started gaining a rather long waiting list, with some tamariki waiting over a year for enrolment. We had old graduates making inquiries for their tamariki, and we're getting constant inquiries from our community stretching as far as Mataura. We knew with our long history of whakapapa and our ever-growing community that we needed to develop a bigger space and fast. So we started putting the tono out there to Te Kōhanga Reo National Trust and the Ministry of Education. Last year in 2021, our dreams became reality and the plans of a new whare build started taking shape. The Kōhanga Reo National Trust purchased the section behind us on Balmoral Drive, and this is where our new whare will open at the end of 2022. We are so excited and have been building our capacity to be ready for a roll of 40 tamariki. But then we were left with the question, what do we do with 195 Collins Street? After extensive whānau and community wānanga, it was decided that we keep 195 Collins Street as it will keep us connected to our marae, to add to the community hub our matua tupuna created for us here at Ngā Hau. This was a really easy decision to come to in the end, as our current Kōhanga Reo site also counts as the only play space for the tamariki of the marae. The marae sits directly in front of a very busy road and there is no safe play space for our tamariki. So it's now 2022 and the time is here for our Ngā Hau community to focus on our goals, do the mahi and get the treats. These goals are to involve our whānau in creating a papatākoro space for our Kōhanga Reo and our community, designing the space, teaching the skills to the whānau to be built by the whānau for the whānau. Engage our whānau in learning about the tikanga and practice of a whare build and the formal practice of its opening from karakia to pōwhiri to manaaki manuhiri and whakanāhau. Celebrating our 40 years of operation with a display of our history and showcasing traditional wāwata and mōtiatia learnt by the whānau, creating a narration of our kaupapa and the stories shared with the mokopuna and whānau using traditional and contemporary mahi toi. We now have an increased roll of 27 tamariki and 7 kaimahi, and all their whānau are invested and are on board, with each parent taking on a supporting role in a specific area that they can help navigate to make our goals successful. Whānau tautoko or manpower is our most prized asset. Now we need your support to really make the dream work. These are the outcomes from achieving our vision.
Whānau oranga, whānau wellbeing and success.
Rangatiratanga, leadership and determination.
Tuakana teina akoranga, intergenerational learning.
Tawaiti ahurutanga, child safe space.
Mātauranga i te reo Māori me ona tikanga.
custom and Māori language.
Mana motuake, pride in belonging, becoming a custodian and contributor to the kaupapa and the Ngā Hau community.
Papa Tākaro, an active outdoor play space bespoke to encompass the play and learning of all ages.
Whakapapa and history, narratives documented and shared through old and new fashions of generations of today and tomorrow.
Thanks so much for taking the time to watch our video. If you're interested in supporting our kaupapa, click on the link below for more information. Hei kōneira!